Is your Amana ASX14 Series AC unit not cooling properly? This video covers the most common reasons and simple checks you can do yourself. First, check your air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow and reduces cooling efficiency. Replace it monthly or clean if reusable. Next, check your thermostat settings. Ensure it's set to cool and the temperature is lower than the room temperature. Inspect the outdoor unit for obstructions like leaves or debris blocking the fins. Clear any blockages to improve airflow. Listen for unusual noises from the unit, which could indicate a mechanical issue requiring professional attention. Finally, check for recall notices from Whirlpool, especially for units installed before 2022. Capacitor failures were a known issue and may have been addressed with free replacements. If the initial checks didn't solve the problem, the issue might be more complex. Low refrigerant is a frequent culprit. Look for signs like weak airflow, ice on the refrigerant lines, or a hissing sound. Do not attempt to handle refrigerant yourself. It requires professional equipment and certification due to EPA regulations. Call a qualified HVAC technician. Another potential issue is dirty evaporator or condenser coils. These coils dissipate heat, and when covered in dirt, they become ineffective. A professional cleaning is recommended. Lastly, compressor failure, although less common, can cause a complete lack of cooling. ASX14 units typically have a 10-year compressor warranty. A technician can diagnose the compressor and determine if replacement is necessary. Regular annual maintenance performed by a professional is the best way to prevent these problems and extend the life of your Amana ASX14 AC unit.